This is Matt, and this is a quick video on how to clone a pipeline in Kajabi. So pipelines, now called funnels in Kajabi. So this is a video on how you'd actually clone and duplicate a funnel or a pipeline, whatever you want to call it. So I'm right here on the pages section. So you see, you click on websites on the sidebar right here. Then you want to click on landing pages. So I currently have my landing pages open right here. I'm going to come across to funnels. So one step over, just click right there for funnels, and you'll see all of the funnels that you have listed here. So I've got 5 different ones right here. So in order to actually clone these, we're going to have to duplicate each page. So see, I have 2 pages right here. I'm going to click the drop down arrow, and then we've got these 2 dots, 3 dots even right here. Click there, and you'll see duplicate. So it's as simple as clicking duplicate there. That will actually duplicate that page out, and you want to do that with both or 3 or 1 or whatever you have, depending on your funnel setup. You're going to actually duplicate those, and you will have a cloned funnel ready to go. So hopefully you found this video on how to duplicate or how to clone a funnel or a pipeline in Kajabi useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.